Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown imposed, work from home became the new normal. Because of the lockdown, the company started cost cutting their employees' salaries, which affected Harshal a lot. He was unable to meet his needs on the sole basis of his salary. Here is his story.
मेरी सैलरी बहुत कम हो गई है कोरोना की वजह से। मैं घर भी नहीं चला पा रहा हूँ अपना। मुझे कुछ ना कुछ अब दूसरी चीज़ देखनी ही पड़ेगी जिससे मेरा घर चल सके। अरे यार, कुछ प्रॉफिट ही नहीं हुआ मेरे को। जितना पैसा लगाया उतना ही मेरे को वापस भी आ गया। फालतू का टाइम और वेस्ट हो गया मेरा। पता नहीं क्यों करा मैंने।
हाँ भाई हर्षल।
हाँ भाई।
भाई हर्षल कहाँ पर है? अरे आज फाइनल स्टार्ट हो गया भाई आईपीएल का। दिल्ली और मुंबई का मैच है। सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं।
हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, चल ठीक है, मैं आ रहा हूँ, मीट पे आता हूँ, 2 मिनट दे मेरे को।
हाँ फिर जल्दी आ, चल एक काम कर, जल्दी जल्दी आ, सब बैठे हुए, ठीक है।
ठीक है, ओके।
ओए हर्षल को इन कर ले भाई। हर्षल मतलब आ गया मीटिंग में, उसको इन कर ले।
हाँ मैं इन कर लेता हूँ, वो आ गया है। हाँ हर्षल आ गया है।
हेलो हेलो। क्या चल रहा है, मैच में क्या चल रहा है?
भाई पूछ मत भाई,
नहीं
मुंबई
भाई,
जीतेगी आज।
अरे
मुंबई पे लगाने हैं सारे पैसे।
हाँ, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ रोहित शर्मा शर्मा जी का लौंडा खेलेगा आज, मजाक से हट के। शर्मा जी का
नहीं
हार
लौंडा
तो
भाई,
मारेगा।
मारेगा आज।
आज आज तो दिल्ली का मैच है और दिल्ली में शिखर धवन है भाई। जिसमें शिखर धवन है वही टीम जीतती है भाई। आज तो सारे पैसे मैं
नहीं नहीं भाई,
धवन पे ही
मुंबई
लगाऊंगा।
जीतेगी। आमची मुंबई, आमची मुंबई।
पैसे मतलब।
तुम लोग कितने जीत चुके हो अब तक?
मेरे लिए तो भाई ये बहुत अच्छे सीजन जा रहा है। देख रहे हो इनकम, देख रहे हो 10,000 लगाए थे, 23,000 हो गए इस सीजन। इस सीजन तो पैसों की बारिश हो रही है। सट्टेबाजी कमाल की है भाई।
हर्षल तूने कितने पैसे लगाए इस आईपीएल मैच सीजन में?
अरे यार, पैसे वैसे की बात मत करो यार। अजय ने तो बहुत कमा लिया, मेरे को तो बहुत थोड़ा सा मिलता है आज। लेकिन आज मैं सारा अपना लॉसेस ना सारे प्रॉफिट में कन्वर्ट कर लूंगा। आज तो अपना सारा पैसा मैं दिल्ली पे लगाऊंगा और दिल्ली ही जीतेगी। मुंबई को तो ऐसे 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 उड़ा देगा भाई दिल्ली।
Oh, well bowled! What a start, Trent Bolt! Oh, no. Oh, shot! Quinton de Kock! And all season long, the Mumbai Indians have been head and shoulders above every ending champions at champions once again of Dream 11 IPL 2020. Champions of Dream 11 IPL 2020.
बात तो काफी गलत सिंह हो गया भाई। मुंबई ने भाई तो मजे दिला दिया। तो आईपीएल फाइनल, ऊपर इतने सारे मार रहे हैं भाई। भाई दिवाली ना, दिवाली साल में 2 बार आई है आज, मजाक से हट के। फाइनल है भाई, मतलब फाइनल वाली फील होती है ना, फील आती है मतलब फाइनल में मजे वाली फील आती है भाई। बुआ रही है, ऊपर से जीते जा रहे हैं भाई। कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले लगा के बैठ गए तब अपन। सही है भाई, सही है।
भाई मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ भाई। पूरे में इस फाइनल में मैं 10,000 रुपए जीत रहा हूँ। सोच रहे हो दिवाली का तो ऐसी खर्ची निकल गई। मजे है भाई, ये जल्दी
मेरे
जल्दी
तो
अगर
सारे पैसे उड़ गए मेरे सारे। ये सट्टेबाजी में नहीं आना चाहिए था मेरे को। बाप रे, मैं पूरे 1 साल की सेविंग उड़ गई मेरी इसमें, इस मैच में। मुझे करना ही नहीं चाहिए था ये तो। मैं पता नहीं क्यों लालच में आ गया। ये 1-2 मैच क्या जीत लिया, मेरे तो सिर पे चढ़ गई थी मेरी ये जीत।
There are a lot of people who face problems due to considerable losses in gambling. The reason why they are attracted to these games are short-term monetary gains and the dopamine rush. To help them, we started brainstorming on gambling and educating people about the ill effects and the financial aspects of gambling. And we also want to help them use their money more wisely, changing their mindset about gambling. We started looking at the different attributes of our group members. After discussing all the other SDGs, we narrowed down our discussion to two SDGs: decent work and economic growth, and quality education.
The effect of gambling includes financial losses, psychological ill effects, and the families are disturbed due to huge losses. The stakeholders are mostly teenagers, the gambling companies, and the unemployed adults. We also looked at some possible solutions like increasing awareness about gambling and its ill effects, and a uniform gambling law for every country.
We also did an in-depth study about gambling laws in different countries. We concluded that there is no uniform law across the nation, and the states are left to decide for themselves. As per the Indian Constitution, gambling is a state subject. The state prohibits gambling, but carves out the exception of games for skill. The court relies on the skill test to decide whether an activity is gambling or not. For example, the Dream 11 app. It is a game of skill by the court of Punjab, Haryana, and Bombay, but by the laws in Assam, Odisha, Telangana, Nagaland, and Sikkim, they are a bit unclear, and it has been banned from that state.
Then we looked at our three significant stakeholders: unemployed youth and adults, gambling companies, and teenagers. The unemployed youth see gambling as a way of source of income. And if they lose once, they go into the vicious cycle of taking loans and gambling again. The teenagers see gambling as an adventure. They think they can earn real money. They lack financial knowledge and easily susceptible. They are also attracted to the vast numbers and the influencers who are shown in the advertisements by these gambling companies. The gambling companies promote false advertisements and use celebrities to attract the young audience, and they fall for this trap.
We researched different case studies and various methods adopted by people to move away from gambling. Most of the people use CGT, which is cognitive behavior therapy. It focuses on changing the automatic negative thoughts that can worsen the emotional difficulties, depression, and anxiety.
We also did a research on stock market, like what is a stock? Stock is a financial instrument that represents the ownership in a company or a corporation. We also did a study on how stock market works, like first company creates new products and new mergers and innovate new technologies. It increases their stock value. Stock value is something like a part of the company. Shareholders sell these small parts when their prices are increased, and this mechanism simply works on the simple mechanism of demand and supply. If more and more people sell the stock, the value of the stock decreases. Online trading is also available in India from 2002, and there are also famous terms like bull versus bear fight. And I guess we all have seen the famous web series which came into play about Harshad Mehta, the scam 1992. There are majorly 60 major stock exchanges where people can trade stocks, and in this online era, people can also trade stocks online. Now, we also floated the Google form to get the ground reality regarding people's perspective about gambling and investing. We also took three anonymous interviews and we have gathered some insights from them. People generally compare gambling to investing because they enter the market with little or no knowledge, due to which they suffer heavy losses in the start and start losing a lot of money. Before entering investing, one should be aware of the terms and the data of the company they invest in. Most of the people give up investing because they are overwhelmed by the massive data and the numbers on the graph. Our app could help them know these terms quickly, effectively, and easily. We could attract more and more people through campaigns, talks, shows, and tell them how the stock market works more efficiently, effectively, and easily.
We also did one more interview, and these are some of the insights we gathered. People generally start gambling as a mean to socialize during festivals. IPL seasons use apps like Dream 11. Gambling apps make you win for the first few instances. Then the algorithm is trained to make you lose eventually. The initial wins in the game make you addicted to the game and the risk involved in the games. The app companies earn money by taking a small portion of your money you bet in. Gambling via such app isn't a very viable extended investment plan.
Started working on the service attributes of our service.
After listing down the attributes of a service, we looked at some of the features that our app should contain, and we also categorized these features into three parts. The three parts being the important features the app should contain, the general feature, and the future development of the app. What features could be added into the app? These are some of the taglines we thought of, and some of the names of for the service. And these are some of the app logo and symbol iterations we did. And in the end, we came on to this symbol, the money spin, and a bull symbolizing the stock market growth through the stock market. Then we started on a low fidelity prototype of the app about how the app should move and the pages it should contain, and also made a wireframe connecting all the elements together. Like it should have a login page, a small loading screen, and a home page. It should also have a game section which people can interact with, and a chat section and a community tab. And you could select a different courses which you want to learn. And finally, a user information about the user and its policies, about the app policies. We also thought of some games, that interactive games, because these games are a crucial part of our service.
This is the final prototype of our app, MoneySpin, wherein you can gain knowledge about investing and also can improve your financial literacy. Upon swiping up, there is a description of the application which helps you get more insight about the app. Now, if you are an existing user, you can click on the login button and you can log into the application. But if you are a new user that is signing up for the first time, you would have to click on the sign up button and you would have to input your credentials, and then you would be registered into the application. Then you would be logged into the questionnaire section, wherein since you are logging in for the first time, the application is trying to gauge your interest about particular field, for example, taxes, mutual fund, etc. After doing that, there are 5 sections in the application. You would be landed upon the home section, wherein there is current financial news and stock insights. Also, there is a learning section in the application in which you can learn about various topics in which you are interested. For example, if you want to learn about stock market introduction, you will click upon the stock market introduction, and there are small video lectures which will help improve your knowledge. Also, there is a game section when you can apply the information that you have learned for practical hands-on experience. Upon clicking on one of the games, you can see the details and participate in the game. So there is a community tab wherein you can interact with like-minded people and socialize. Also, there is an event section which gives you information about the nearby events that are happening. Last is the user section where you can change the settings of the application and update personal information. This is the UI of our application.
After doing the prototype, we distributed the UI of the app, and these were the feedback we got. Some said the game was an interesting feature, and the idea of the app is a unique one. And they suggested that the improvement we can do is writing a proper description of the app at this loading or starting page. Another uh, another feedback was they wanted a unique color scheme, and but he also liked the loading screen animation in the beginning. Um, and he said that campaigns should be done to acquire a strong user base for the app. So we also did some merchandise like a bottle, the hoodie, mug, and notebooks.
There is a website where you can find the link of our app in the main screen with the interactive visuals there. And we have also mentioned the 3 main features of our app. The first is the courses, which are very effective and contains everything you need to know about our finances. And the next is the interactive games within our app. And the next is the newsfeed and the community support And here are the links of our other platforms. And we have the top grade security in our app. You can also contact us here.
We also have an Instagram page which contains some facts about investing in gambling.